Motorcycles are often defined by extreme speed, aggressive off-road capability, or luxury comfort. The 2026 Honda NX250 chooses a different path. It combines versatility, efficiency, and reliability in a single package. This motorcycle is built for riders who want adventure, without compromise, whether it's daily commuting, weekend exploration, or light off-road trips. At Z. The NX250 stands out as a motorcycle that delivers practicality, without losing the thrill of riding. It is a machine designed to adapt to diverse conditions, while remaining approachable and user-friendly. The philosophy behind the NX series. The NX series has always represented Honda's commitment to functional versatility rather than chasing extreme performance. The NX lineup focuses on adaptability, balance, and rider confidence. The 2026 NX250 continues this philosophy by refining elements that make it suitable for multiple riding scenarios, from city streets to countryside trails. This motorcycle provides an experience that is enjoyable, predictable, and practical. Honda has designed the NX250 not to dominate in one category. How to excel across many. Engine performance and smooth power delivery. At the heart of the 2026 Honda NX250 lies a 249cc, single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth, reliable performance. Unlike high-revving sport bikes, the NX250 delivers strong low and mid-range torque, providing usable power exactly where it is most needed. Acceleration is linear and controlled, making city traffic, highway cruising, and uphill stretches effortless. The engine encourages relaxed, confident riding without constant gear shifting, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned riders who value predictability over raw numbers. Honda's approach ensures that the engine is not just capable, but also durable and easy to maintain, reflecting the brand's long-standing reputation for reliability, transmission, and rider-friendly control. The NX250 features a 6-speed, manual transmission that balances smoothness with responsiveness. Gear changes are precise, allowing the rider to focus on control and confidence, rather than fussing over the clutch. The gearbox complements the engine perfectly, offering the right amount of flexibility for city commuting, highway cruising, and moderate trail riding. The clutch is light and forgiving, reducing fatigue during long rides or stop-and-go traffic. This combination makes the NA250 approachable for new riders, while still satisfying experienced motorbike who appreciate smooth handling. Riding modes and electronics. The 2026 NX250 includes thoughtfully designed electronics to enhance rider confidence, without complicating the experience. Traction control apps and selectable riding modes work quietly in the background to maintain stability and prevent slips in wet or unpredictable conditions. These systems are tuned to support the rider, not dominate the ride. Whether navigating tight city corners or cruising along open roads, the electronics enhance safety, while maintaining a natural connection between rider and machine. Chassis design and balanced handling. The NX250 is built on a lightweight, yet robust chassis that prioritizes stability and maneuverability. The frame geometry supports agile handling in city traffic, while remaining composed during high-speed touring. The upright riding posture and wide handlebars improve visibility and control, giving riders confidence in both urban environments and rural back. The bike feels balanced under a variety of conditions, making it suitable for a broad range of riding styles. On this, careful attention to chassis geometry ensures that the NX250 remains predictable, responsive, and comfortable in all scenarios. Suspension tuned for versatility. Suspension on the 20.26 NX250. It was designed to handle a variety of road surfaces. Front telescopic forks and a rear monoshock absorb bumps efficiently, providing comfort on paved roads and stability on light off-road paths. The system strikes a careful balance between firmness and compliance, allowing riders to maintain control without feeling the ride become harsh or uncomfortable. This versatility is key to the NX250's all-purpose appeal. Braking, performance, and safety. The NX250 features disc brakes at both ends, paired with advanced ABS for safe, predictable stopping power. Braking is strong yet smooth, giving the rider confidence in urban traffic and on open roads alike. Asterisk, this system is designed for consistency, prioritizing stability over abrupt performance. The result is a motorcycle that encourages calm, confident riding even in unexpected situations. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Comfort has always been central to Honda's design philosophy, and the NX250 continues this tradition. The upright riding posture reduces strain on the back and wrists, while the well-cushioned seat supports longer journeys without fatigue. Asterisk, foot peg and handlebar placement allow both seated and standing. Riding positions ideal for urban streets, twisty back or light trail exploration. This ergonomic balance ensures that riders can enjoy long-distance rides without sacrificing control or comfort. Practical design and everyday usability. The 2026 NX250 combines functional design with modern aesthetics. Its slim, clean bodywork provides excellent maneuverability in traffic, while maintaining a commanding presence on the road. Asterisk. The bike's design emphasizes usability with a focus on rider comfort, wind protection, and easy maintenance. Every component serves a purpose, making the NX250 an ideal choice for riders who want practicality without compromising on style. Asterisk, instrumentation and rider interface. Asterisk, the instrument cluster is modern, clear and easy to read. Speed, fuel level, gear position, riding mode, and essential indicators are displayed logically, allowing the rider to focus on the road ahead. Asterisk, this minimalist approach supports focused, relaxed riding while maintaining access to all necessary information. It aligns perfectly with the NX250's philosophy of simplicity and efficiency. Asterisk, fuel efficiency and long-range capability. Asterisk, despite its 250cc class engine, the NX250 is designed to deliver excellent fuel efficiency. Riders can expect long distances appealing to a wide range of riders, enhancing the bike's suitability. The 2026 for both daily commuting and weekend touring. Asterisk, the NX250 is ideal for riders seeking versatility. The NX250 offers efficiency, a low, practical, and reliable riding experience. It suits beginners looking for a manageable motorcycle, commuters who need reliability, and weekend explorers who want light adventure capability. Asterisk. It is a motorcycle that adapts to the rider's needs, rather than demanding aggressive riding or extreme performance. Honda's goal with the NX250 is to provide a, all-purpose motorcycle for modern riders. Asterisk, final thoughts from ZeeAutoAdviser. Asterisk, the 2026 Honda NX250 represents Honda's vision for a versatile, practical, and enjoyable motorcycle. It proves that adventure does not have to mean extreme power or complex systems. Instead, thoughtful engineering balance and real-world usability can create a motorcycle that works for everyone. Asterisk, at ZeeAutoAdviser, the NX250 is seen as a smart choice for riders who want one motorcycle that can handle multiple roles: daily commuting, weekend touring, and light off-road exploration, while remaining reliable, comfortable, and economical. Asterisk. This is a motorcycle that earns trust through performance, comfort, and simplicity, making it a strong contender in the 250cc adventure commuter segment.